Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Halloween poppets, a pumpkin, a witch, and a ghost. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw and color a Halloween pumpkin. I start with the shape of the pumpkin, then I draw a witch hat on top. Later, I draw the holes for its eyes and a scary mouth like this. Finally, I divide it with lines like this. And I draw small circles in all the lanes. Good job! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. To color, I will use the rainbow colors. I start with red. Then I use orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, and pink. Finally, I add a little red here. Great! Now let's draw and color a witch. To start, I draw a witch shape, like this. On a broom, she flies very fast. Now I divide her body with lines like this and draw little circles here.
Double, double, toil and trouble, fire burn and cauldron bubble.
Good job! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. To color, I will use the rainbow colors. I start with red. Then I use orange, yellow, light green, dark green, light blue, dark blue, violet, purple, and pink. Great! Now we will draw and color a ghost. I draw a ghost shape very quickly like this. Then I draw his eyes and his smiling mouth. Now I divide her body with lines like this. And draw little circles here. Bravo! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. To color, I will use the rainbow colors. I start with red. Then I use orange, yellow, light green, dark green, light blue, violet, purple, and pink. Good job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.